Welcome to Code with Vinod. In this video, we will learn how we can install Angular on our local system. Also, before installing Angular, we would require some prerequisites on our system like Node.js and Package Manager. Also, you can find all the installation steps on Angular documentation guide by navigating on this link. Our first step would be to check these dependency means Node.js and npm package manager should install on our system. And second step, we will install Angular CLI with the help of npm package manager. And in third step, we will create a workspace or our first web application with the help of ng new then application name. So let's come on PowerShell and we will check Node.js and npm. Also means we need to match the required version for Node.js and package manager for a specific Angular version. So let's come on our PowerShell. So we will first check our Node.js. So node hyphen version. So our node version is v18.16. Then we will check npm hyphen version. So it's 9 point. Then we will check angular ng hyphen version. So this is angular CLI. Okay, it is showing some error. So I think it has changed. So ng version. So now we will compare our node and npm. So our angular version is 16.0.2 and node is 18.16. So we have 18.16 and npm we will check. So node is correct. So npm is 9.5.1. So it is matching with our current version. So now we will create our first Angular web application. So let me come into the working directory. So this is our working directory, and now we will use ng new and my first angular my first angular app. Then we need to give some steps. So now it is installing some dependency packages for a web application. So we have successfully installed our web application. So let's check. So let me copy our application name first. Then we will navigate into Visual Studio Code. So cd, then our app name, and then code dot. So this is our first web application. So here we have some files and directories. So we will also explain these files and directories. So our main directory would be src. So here we have all the things, let's say main html and our roots, and inside the app we have our first main parent components. So this is the modules and this is the components, and we have spec.ts. So this file will be used for testing purpose, and html app.component.html. So this is the component specific html. So we will create multiple component and then we will use these component into our this index.html. So this is our main html page. and this is our app.routing.modules. So with the help of this file we will use the modules, let's say, to navigate from one component to another components. And we have app.component.css. So this is our style sheet files, so here we will write our style sheets. So let's start this application and check. So let me open our terminal. Ls, then we will use, let me make this file adjustable, and we will use npm start. Let's check what is the notification or everything is there. Yes. So it is getting restart, or it is gathering some browser application bundles. So meanwhile, let's check. Our application successfully compiled. So we need to navigate on this localhost and 4200. So this is a default port for our Node.js application, sorry, our Angular application. So let me come on browser, or we will just check. Let me open the browser and then paste. So this is our default page for our first Angular application. So we can change this default. So if I remove everything from these components and give just for heading welcome, then save, so it will reflect us welcome. So thanks for watching. So this was the tutorial for our installation, Angular installation, and our first web application. So in next video tutorial we will learn more on Angular.